In this video, I'm going to show you the best data entry jobs you can do online if you live in the USA. As you can see, I'm on Amazon.jobs, and on this website you can find a lot of remote career opportunities. As you can see here, it already says, view and search all open virtual jobs with Amazon and its subsidiaries. You want to hit view remote jobs, and now you can see ton of jobs that you can do if you live in the US. So basically what you can do is you can filter by full-time, part-time or seasonal, and you never have to wake up a certain time. You don't have to be in traffic jams because you can work from home. You can easily make more money doing this, and you only have to do simple tasks for Amazon. So this is basically how it works. You can filter on full-time, part-time, on the job category. So if you studied something like operations or IT, you can select this and you can find some jobs that are in your region. This is how you can easily make more money online and get paid directly into your bank account. If this video helped you out to make more money through data entry jobs in the USA, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.